Start your garden wood renovation journey with Roxil Wood Scrub Gel. Lift away grime and the outer layer of damaged wood to turn back time on weathered decking and furniture. This oxalic acid based wood cleaner restores colour and wood grain. It removes greying and is fully biodegradable. Roxil picks up dirt and grime as it cleans, revives and restores natural colour, primes the surface for finishing coats. Before you start, sweep away leaves and any other easily removable debris. The thick Roxil gel is easy to use. No drips means no waste. Brush on and let Roxil Wood Scrub Gel work its magic. For best results, wait for an hour. Oxalic acid targets the surface layer of wood damaged by the environment and everyday wear. It physically removes this damaged layer to reveal fresh new wood underneath. Now it's time to scrub the old age away. With a stiff brush, vigorously work the gel over the wood. Use lots of water to help the brush glide over the deck. It's so satisfying to scour off that grime and the outer layer of damaged wood. Thoroughly rinse with water to fully remove Roxil Wood Scrub Gel. Watch the surface brighten as it dries. Just like that, you've refreshed the wood grain pattern, texture and original tone of your outdoor deck or furniture. Now it's time to protect your deck with a finishing coat like Roxil Decking Oil. Roxil Wood Scrub Gel is part of the Roxil Wood Treatment range. Prepare, preserve and protect with Roxil.